Hey guys, we're here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2017 Fiat 500 Abarth. We went ahead and installed an aftermarket stereo with a front and rear camera. Hop in, I'm going to show you how it works. So in this particular vehicle, the factory stereo is nothing like this one. It doesn't have Apple Carplay or Android Auto or any of that fun stuff. It's just got basic, Bluetooth and whatnot. So what we went ahead and did was we installed this Sony unit. We have plenty of other units that we could definitely put in the vehicle. We retained the factory USB port right here. And now when I plug in my phone, I have an iPhone, so it's going to activate Apple CarPlay. Once I get Apple CarPlay, there you go. I got my music, my maps, my messaging. In addition to that, my steering wheel controls work. So if I want to talk to Siri, take me to Avenue Sound in Freeport.
Getting directions to Avenue Sound.
There you go. If I put the car in reverse, we have a reverse camera. In addition to that, we also added a front camera in this vehicle.
Avenue Sound.
And you may wonder why,
Arrived.
but to be honest, front camera kind of makes sense if you're trying to park in a very tight parking spot. So we have a front camera there as well. So we can toggle from rear to front, and we can also add side cameras if you wanted to. We integrated all the factory controls, so when I'm on my radio, AM or FM for that matter, I can adjust my volume and my stations accordingly. In addition to that, we went ahead and installed an aftermarket microphone up top by the A-pillar. We also did vehicle integration, so I have vehicle gauges on screen.
Avenue Sound. Arrived.
So we can get boost, fuel, load, a whole bunch of gauges, and we can do 2 pages of them, which is super cool. So this is all vehicle information that we're getting off the OBD2 diagnostic port. We also have other vehicle information, such as tire pressure monitoring, vehicle voltage, and check engine light codes, as well as door jar information. So we have, we have our volume and station controls on the steering wheel, our Bluetooth hands-free, our Apple CarPlay, our vehicle integration, backup camera, and front camera. There she is. It's all done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you.